Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this sweater. You can also get a printable pattern for this design. I will put the link to where you can get it on the description box below once it's available. Now without further ado, let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and chain a chain that can wrap around your wrist. So I chained 34. Make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Now on the third chain from hook, make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Then work double crochet in each chain till last. For row 2, chain 2 and flip your work. And then we are going to make an alternate of front post double crochet and back post double crochet. For row 3, begin with chain 2, flip your work, and then in every front post double crochet we did on the last row, we'll work a back post double crochet there, and in every back post double crochet from the previous row, we will work a front post double crochet. Then after that, add one more row using the same pattern on row 3. For row 5, divide your stitches into 4 and attach your marker like this. Now begin with chain 2, flip your work. Now we will work a increase on the first, last, and in every stitch with marker. To make an increase, work 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. To work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through all loops. 6, divide your stitch into 5 and attach your marker like this. Now again, begin with chain 2, flip your work, and do an increase on first, last, and in every stitch with marker. Then on the next row, row 7, repeat the same pattern on row 6. For row 8 onwards, begin with chain 2 and work double crochets in each stitches cross, and then repeat that pattern until you're satisfied with the length of your sleeves. I made a total of 32 rows of double crochet. Now before cutting your yarn, leave an excess that is at least twice the length of the sleeves. Now we will be working with the front panels. Begin with a slip knot and chain a chain that stretches at least 1/4 of your bust point level circumference. I made a total of 34 chains. Now on the third chain from hook, begin your double crochet in each chain. For row 2, begin with chain 2, flip your work, and double crochet in each stitches across. Repeat this pattern to add more rows. I made a total of 24 rows. You can add more if you want more coverage. And then before cutting the yarn, leave at least an excess of twice the length of the piece. Of course, make 2 of these front panel. For our back panel, same pattern and total rows with our front panel, except that our foundation chain should be at least half the length of our bust point level circumference plus 3 inch. Now they should look like this, and then grab your darning needle, and using the excess yarns, we will attach these pieces using whip stitch. After that, next is attaching our sleeves using also whip stitch. You can make use of a stitch marker to know when to start and end attaching the pieces. Once you're done, fold them like this and then attach your yarn at the bottom corner here, and then using again the whip stitch, we will join them together all the way to the sleeves. After that, turn the piece inside and out, and then for the edging, attach your yarn here. Then on this stitch right here, work 2 double crochet. Next, work 2 double crochet in each side of the rows, working all the way to the other panel. Now, I'm at the end of the other panel, and to finish the row, work 2 double crochet on second to the last stitch and then slip stitch. Now we will be working in rounds, begin with a chain 2 and then work an alternate of front post double crochet and back post double crochet for the whole edging. In every corner here on the center stitch of this 3 double crochet, we will work a double crochet, front post double crochet, and another double crochet. Then continue with the alternate of front post and back post double crochet. If you can follow a diagram, here's how it looks like. At the end of the row, we will also do the same stitch, a double crochet, front post double crochet, and another double crochet on the center stitch of the 3 double crochet. Then finish it up by slip stitching on the very first stitch. We will add 2 more rounds using the same pattern, but we will work our front post double crochet from the front post double crochet of the previous round and a back post double crochet from the back post double crochet of the previous round. Finish round 4, slip stitch on the very first stitch of the round, chain 1 to secure, and cut the yarn. And that's it for our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my new uploads. Thank you for watching!